Hello guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about links. First textual link, we're gonna do that, and then we will switch to image as a link. Well, how to create normal textual, let's say, link? Well, we are introducing a new tag, anchor tag. We must open it and we must close it, and in between, in the middle, we're gonna put name of that target, just the name. This is not yet full link, just the name of target. Let's say Google. You don't need to type domain here. You can if you like, but Google will get the job done in this section, right? And now when we refresh our page, we have just let's say name of link, but no link yet. So how to do that? Well, there is only one way, and that is in here, in opening tag, use href attribute. And here, like a normal operation for attributes, between quotes, we're gonna state the full path to that website, including protocol. And protocol is HTTPS, and then these symbols, classical protocol stuff, and then actually domain or some page inside of that domain. So let's roll with the domain, Google, with extension. You must type extension here, okay? And now we will have our link ready, and let's click on it. There you go. Now another question, let's create following same logic, link to Yahoo. Well, href equals HTTPS secure connection to yahoo.com, and we must close it, and in here Yahoo. Yahoo? What the hell? Nice name. I mean, nice idea for domain if it's not already taken. And refresh. Yahoo. Now they are concatenated, so this looks like some kind of navigation, and yeah, this is actually a very simple HTML way to create any kind of very simple navigation. So in the past, people just use like a vertical line to do that, but that was like 2 decades ago, and now we have CSS, so situation is much better. So will that Yahoo work? Well, there you go, everything is fine. Now another thing, how to create links from images? Well, first we must start with href equals, and let's target Google through troll. Why not? So HTTPS Google, and in here, of course, we must have that image. So do not have image outside, it's impossible. Have it here, because image is just a one line, one img tag, and here we have 2 independent tags, like opening one and closing anchor. Right, so here, for the sake of space, let's just say image will be here. img source, and we are using troll from our last tutorial, troll.jpg. And we will have alternative text like link to Google. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. And refresh, there you go. So now you can click on a troll and it will take you to Google. See, there you go, everything works fine. So why these things are here at the bottom when they're obviously at the top? Well, because you're not using simple breaks here. That's the case. So just have a break here and you will solve situation, or a horizontal line even. Oops. Refresh, and there you go. Now you have situation. So what about HR? Well, sure, let's do that. Like HR immediately after navigation. So it will look like some very simple, well, navigation. HR, what was it, like color equals, let's say, black. And yeah, very simple stuff. You don't need to type a BR after HR, because HR is a kind of beast that will push content down there. So you cannot have multiple HRs on the same line. That will not get the job done. Right. So let's refresh our page, and there you go. already we have very simple website here if you have multiple of these. So let's actually do that just for the sake of experimentation, and we're gonna steal actually this code, let's say, and we must have a vertical line here just to have a couple of these, you know, to get that feeling that we can do something. Right, guys, that's pretty much it. And actually, I don't know what you think, but I think that those simple websites like from 2 decades ago were very simple, very informative, without too much advertising, without too much additional content, just straight to the point type of websites. Right, so next question is, well, what about links? I mean, those unordered lists, can we use them as a bunch of links? Well, yeah, sure, we can do that. So let me remove these, and here we're gonna have, of course, li, and let me copy paste those things down there a couple of times. So this is manual labor, but that's what I do at the moment. Right, and of course we must close that thing. So link must be inside of already existing li element. Okay, guys, it cannot be other way around. I mean, the thing will work. Browsers are smart these days, but still, just have a link inside of li's. And of course that will work by default, but you are not specifying basically here what kind of list you have. I mean, is it unordered, ordered, something like that? So if we say ul for our unordered list, then of course we will have appropriate correct result here. There you go. We have a little bit of indentation from the left, which is expected behavior. And can we automatically turn that to order? Well, sure. Ordered list. Okay, ordered list, and there you go, guys. But pretty much you will be happy with unordered list when you're using CSS, and yeah, don't use ordered one. Basically, it's really not necessary when you have navigation. The whole purpose of navigation is to just to stare at these full links and not to take care about numbers. I mean, it is just, it will took your mind to totally another side of the spectrum. You will start counting and remembering, so it's not expected behavior. Just have links inside an unordered list, and the thing will be normal default like behavior. Yeah, in CSS you will learn how to lose those things automatically. Yeah, you can do that with type equals none, but still they will be vertical here. Okay, with the CSS you can just push one thing horizontally after another. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. Just remember to use img inside the already existing opening A and closing A, and that will pretty much get the job done. And let me fix this code a bit. That will work. Right, refresh, same stuff. So I probably said that HTML is very forgiving. It's not C++, so you can do stupid stuff like that. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up, and as always, thank you for watching, and see you next one.